Greetings, ones and all, in the mighty name of the Most High God. I want to say a quick thing to you, to somebody out there. So it's just a sound I make. Because then say, you know what I mean, you can take the mess out of the message. Or you get the message out of the mess, no care how messy it is. So I want to say something. I just watched a race a while ago where the three ladies them from Jamaica, Elaine, Shelly-Ann, and Sharika. I saw them all line up against some people from the world. It was Jamaica versus the world there. And I tell you, yes, when I hear boy and the whole lady, everybody get up and took off. Me don't know what happened, you know. But me I tell you, say me see Elaine lift up like ground lizard and Shelly and lift up like one next iguana, and Sherry can move like somebody run her down just by the sound of a gun. Them take off, you know. And I tell you, Jamaicans all over the world proud because I 1, 2, 3 them take it, you know. Gold, silver and bronze, you know, man. The stand will be occupied by 3 Jamaican, and Jamaica flag will be raised in 3 times. And the national anthem will be singing because these girls took off at the sound of a gun. Back in Jamaica, we are here. You see, while these guys use the sound of these girls, rather, use the sound of a gun to break record in a positive way, you know, and make ones and ones feel happy. Down in Jamaica, some man down there use the sound of a gun to break record too. Breaking record and people are dying. Innocent are dying without reason. And trust me, youths and youth, me don't know when I fight now. Why you don't use the sound of a car? Someone can run, you know. Like if you saw police car, the police not fast like you know. Someone can run, you know, brother. No get somewhere down the line, but me I tell you, brethren, me I say to the youth them, well, you see all them ladies here, I run out in a fight Corona just to make Jamaica feel proud. I fight Corona for Jamaica feel good. Putting Jamaica on the map. 3 medal, 1 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze in a 1 race, then take you all of it by the sound of a gun. Why the man them in Jamaica, the youths them, I become a son of a gun instead of doing something positive at the sound of a gun. You guys decide to become a son of a gun. Me I beg on you, just hold it down now. Just look on the positiveness out to people. I mean, people I speak about Jamaica in such a positive way. I run them youth, I run, you know, them foot, they use and make life, you know. I make Jamaica proud, you know. Why you know I use a gun and I take life, brother? May I beg the youth, them brethren, look on the girls who make Jamaica, who run at the sound of a gun and make Jamaica can lift up them head. While you have some of you have the sound of a gun and all like old people, old woman are dead. Me say, when I burn up all the old woman in our house there, then I watch her burn up and making the sound of a gun and make the woman can't come out and tell they're dead. When people in them bed hear the sound of a gun, is an old lady was dying. When they hear the sound of a gun, is a little boy 10 years old or less are dead. When they hear the sound of a gun, somebody out the road dead. Well, I know I tell no brethren. We have to make a change, me I beg you know. Years people I talk to, you know. Years, you know. And me I join the thing I tell you again, brother. Say if you can't stop, make the sound of a gun. And stop from being a son of a gun. You get what me I say? Me I beg you no brethren. Look for the ladies them, brother. Them use the sound of a gun to make them name, make history, tie all the record. And I go on good. Them use the sound of a gun to make great things happen to Jamaica at the sound of a gun, them run. And some of you don't have Jamaica, brother, stronger than them have. Some of you have more education than them, you know. I want to decide saying instead I want to use a positive, put a positive twist to the sound of a gun. You know, want to become a son of a gun. Don't do it, brother. Me I beg you know. Me I ask you if you can ease up, brother. People proud of Jamaica and people glad to be associated with Jamaica. Just because not only the way them run at the sound of a gun, but them don't. But all Jamaican is not a son of a gun. Me a beg on no brethren and brethren. Put down the gun now. Drop it, brother. Drop it, me a beg on no brother. Me could do something nice now. Make something good go on for Jamaica with no life. Now, not have a dead body, no brother. Not have to live a prison and a rub up a man every day, no brother. Not have to just, prison no make for dog, but no make for no brother. You get to me, I say? Because all the man loves the prison never make for dog, but if it never make for dog, I want to have low ambition, I don't have more, dog have more ambition, more no brother. You me I say no man? Me I beg you no brother. Build the thing, brother. I'm proud of Jamaica when me say all the girls them run, trang, Elaine, run. What? One of the one who stay outside and see when the trang woman them a run too. Eh? One of the one see the trang woman them a run. Oh no, though. One of the one use the sound of a gun to remain a son of a gun. Please, drop it, brother. If he's not a son of a gun, don't put a negative twist to the sound of a gun. Do it like the three ladies them in the Olympic who use the sound of a gun to run and bring gold to Jamaica. Me nah call no son of a gun, you know. Cause probably don't know the sound of a gun until no. And some of you never feel gunshot yet, you know. But when you get it, when you beg for life, please me I beg you know. And that's I got talk to now way still, cause me know say if me nah tell people about skin out and kill and head a bus and bag at negative thing. Some people don't really like all them something, yeah. People love when the negativeness and make kind of bag a rare. Well, I tell no people, please. If I even want to hear this, like it and share it. If you don't like it, so cause someone don't love this still. But me I beg you to share it, that someone can hear it. Because my Jamaican youth, them sometimes they just led astray. They are not all a son of a gun. Them just love to make the sound of a gun. So me I tell you, make we get this to the youth them, or what they saw. Yeah, bless up on yourself. And as a man, as I say something go.